straightaway for the first time. Brandon Edwards out in front. Sam Ford in second. Into that front double section right now. Brandon Edwards starting to open up just a tiny bit on Sam Ford. Sam's got Tucci Carrera in that third spot. He gets a little short into that turn. Able to get it back going. Here comes your leader, Brandon Edwards. Oh, he gets hung up on the bike. Sam Ford around the inside. Takes over the lead spot. Sam Ford out in front now. Brandon Edwards running in second. Tucci Carrera not too far back in third. Here they come down the center straightaway. The white, orange, and gray truck of Sam Ford out in front. The white and gray truck right behind is Brandon Edwards. And then you got the blue and white truck of Tucci Carrera in third. First, second, and third through that front section right now. Sam Ford out in front. Brandon Edwards just sitting back, waiting here. 1:30 down and 6:30 still to go. This is an 8-minute race. Lots of time to still go. Top three cars really starting to pull away right now. Sean Story running in the fourth spot, about 6 seconds behind your third place car. Here comes your top three trucks over on the left side of the track and into the step up down the center straightaway. Sam Ford still out in front. Over the double single and across the line. Sam Ford comes by with a 21.9. Brandon Edwards 21.7. Brandon all over that back bumper of Sam as they're coming into the left side of the track. Brandon goes a triple over that section, closing that gap just a bit. Here they come. Oh, Sam gets it up on two wheels through that sweeper. Still able to hang on to it. Brandon triples it coming right here in front of me. Sam Ford out in front. Brandon Edwards just waiting for an open gap. There it is. Brandon Edwards out in front. Sam Ford gets up on two wheels. He's able to collect it and be tucked in right behind him. Top two cars center straight away now. 2:30 down and 5:30 still to go. Your top three cars still trading around right now as they come across the stripe. Brandon Edwards out in front. Sam Ford in second. Sam gets upside down. They're a little short over that double section. Makes another mistake. Tucci Carrera now into that second spot. Sam Ford drops back to third. Here comes Brandon Edwards over the double single right in front of me. Crossing the stripe with 21.8. Tucci Carrera with 21.7. First and second through the double section now on the left side of the track. Sam Ford still hanging on to that third spot. Joshua Othart up into fourth. Sean Story running in fifth. Tucci Carrera trying to reel in Brandon. Brandon with a 21.7. Tucci 21.6. Top two cars side by second and a half. Brandon Edwards makes a mistake in that front section. Here comes Tucci Carrera. Battle for the lead down the center straightaway. Brandon Edwards, the white and gray truck out in front. Tucci gets it up on two wheels, able to bring it back down. Here they come across the stripe. Brandon with 22.1. Tucci 21.6. They're in the front section right now. We still got 4 minutes to go. We're only halfway through, guys. 4 minutes down, 4 minutes still to go. Here they come into that double single right here in front of me. Brandon Edwards starts to open up that gap just a bit. Brandon with 21.3. Tucci with a 22 flat. Sean, you got your leaders coming up on you soon. Here comes Brandon Edwards out in front of that white and gray truck through the sweeper and into the double single section here. Comes across the stripe. Brandon comes by with 22.6. Tucci 21.7. You got a 1.5 second gap between first and second. Then you got Sam Ford running in third, about 5 seconds behind your leaders. Joshua Othart still sitting in that fourth spot, and Sean Story in fifth. Brandon comes around 21.4. Tucci with a 21.5. Top two trucks still separated by about 2 seconds right now. With 3 minutes to go. We got 5 minutes down and 3 minutes still left to go. Brandon Edwards starting to pull away just a bit on Tucci over 2 seconds. Down the center straight they come. Randy comes by with a strike of 21.9. Tucer comes by with a 21.5. Top two trucks separated by 1.7 seconds right now. As we still have 2 minutes left on the master clock. Josh Momentum leaders coming up on 2. 2 minutes left on the master clock. Brandon Edwards, 21.2. Last time by Tucer with a 21.5. Brendan gets it up on 2 wheels, able to get it back down without too much harm. Really good for the sweeper. Tucer rolls it over in that sweeper. It's going to drop him back just a bit, but still hanging on to that second spot. Sam Ford still hanging on to that third spot, about 7 seconds behind Tucer. This is race number 8 on the track. Race number 9, 40 and over, 8 main event coming up next. Brandon Edwards starting to open that gap up on Tucer. He's got a 5-second advantage now. Tucer Carrera hanging on to that second spot. He's got about 10 seconds back to Sam Ford, so everybody's starting to get really spread out. 7 minutes down and 1 minute left on the master clock. No close battles right now. Everybody's pretty spread out and trying to keep it between the pipes.
Quick, Brandon, pull over for a pit.
30 seconds. Seconds left on the clock. That is time drivers finished lap here on. Here comes Brendan Edwards over triple and across the line. Your winner on the 13.5 2-wheel